Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I'm Maahek Nair and today we're doing weight loss mushroom eggs. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Today we are doing weight loss mushroom eggs. The ingredients for the same are, first I have 4 egg whites nicely whisked, chopped coriander, 5 to 6 mushrooms finely chopped. First we are doing weight loss mushroom eggs. For that, in a pan we are going to add half a teaspoon of desi ghee, that's clarified butter. To that I'm going to add my chopped mushrooms. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste. Now we're just going to saute the mushroom. Once the mushrooms are slightly well done, we're going to add half a teaspoon or less than that black pepper. To this we're going to add our 4 egg whites. And here we have our super healthy weight loss mushroom eggs ready. You can add spices of your choice like a green chili or red pepper, but I prefer it simple. I've just added little coriander to the same. And our eggs are ready to go into the pan. With the eggs I'm having a avocado. I'm going to add the avocado to my eggs, and that forms a complete meal. Our weight loss mushroom eggs are ready. They are an excellent meal for your breakfast option. Second, they are a great source of lean protein and healthy source of complete amino acid. It's a complete meal which provides you great satiety and a feeling of fullness for a longer time. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe our channel. Also log on to www.bodyprocoach.com for more information and more programs like Base 90 Days program for excellent transformation. Thank you so much and lots of love.